Okay, here we have all Kayla's groceries. I'm going to see if she'll name them off on camera. She knows how to do it, but I don't know if she'll do it on camera. What's this one? Kayla. Alright, let's try it this way. Where's the chicken? Chicken! Good girl. Put it in the bucket. What do you got? What is that? Where's the French fry? Yeah. French fry? Where's the hot dog? Where's hot dog? Good job! Hot dog. That's your favorite one. Hot dog. What else? Where's the peas? Where's the peas? Where's your peas? Do you see it? Kayla, where's the peas? Where? Where's your peas? Yeah, where's the peas? You don't see it. Yeah, I see it. What's that? Melon? Melon? What's this? Yes, Chip. Good girl. Chip. Good job. Where's the ice cream? Where's your ice cream? It's right in front of you. Right there. Ice cream. Right in front of you. You can't do it this way, huh? Ice cream? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's put the ones that we don't know in here. We don't know popcorn. Chip, yes, good girl. Chip, yeah. You got a chip? It's not real, silly girl. Okay, how about, let's see. How about orange? Where's your orange? That's melon. Where's your berry? Yeah, good job. Berry? Yeah, good girl. Look, here's more berry. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Can you find the pizza? Where's your pizza? Where's your pizza? Where is it? Good job. Pizza. Good girl. Pizza. Good girl. Okay. Berry. Yeah, berry. What else can Kayla look for? What else? Let's see. Can you find the bacon? It might be kind of hard to find right here. No, that's not bacon. Where's your bacon? There's bacon. Where's bacon? Good job! Bacon? What's that one? What is that? No. Orange. Yeah. Orange. What's that? You got a drink? Kayla. Let's see if she can find that. Where's the cookie? Good job. Cookie? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. What else can we look for? How about carrot? Where's the carrot? Right here. What is that? Peas? Where's your carrot? Kayla, where's your carrot? That's not a grape. Where's your carrot? Carrot. Kayla, where's your carrot? No, where's your carrot? It's ice cream. Where's your carrot? Kayla, where's your banana? Where's your banana? That's chocolate. Where's your banana? What's in your hand? What's this one? What's that? Carrot? You don't want to do it on camera, do you? Mama's crazy for thinking you'll do it on camera.